sponge to go in with my makeup, but for today I'm just gonna use a brush. I mean, it depends. Sometimes I rotate, sometimes I use the sponge, sometimes I use a brush. I don't think there's a special reason. I then go in with my concealer. Finally, I'm going in with a damp beauty blender. Then to chisel my contoured area, and then I like to go in and just carve out my contoured area. This is a super easy makeup. I'm not even trying because it's just a little brunch date by myself, and I definitely don't need to do the most. So for this date, I'm taking myself on a date because I really need to reset. I really need to you know, be alone for a little, and that's just to rejuvenate my focus, rejuvenate myself, my mind, my mental state. And you know, there's no better way than to be away from the noise of people. I mean, people will be there, but of course I won't be there with them, so it's fine. I'll be there alone, and so I'll get the perfect opportunity to think, and also, you know, just kind of take a little inspiration from my environment. Yeah, I feel like sometimes you just need to go out and be like, there's no rocket science, there's no thinking too hard. It's just go and be, and learn to do it alone sometimes. That's what today is about for me. There's no better time to do it than brunch time. So for my eyeshadow, I'm doing something pretty simple. I'm just gonna go in with some brown. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with some brown shadow and, well, brown powder, and put that over my eyes as eyeshadow. I love my part to be super straight. I just can't find a comb to this day that gives me a perfect part like my tweezers. Mine is very sharp and pointy. Don't try this at home, but this is what I use to get my part, and it takes me a while. And then basically I just oil my scalp because I have very dry scalp, and I also put some moisturizer on, and then I get to flat ironing my leave out, which is very straight at this point. It's not going back curly, and I do this to both sides. And then I basically do the same thing for my weave itself, and then after that I make sure that the flat iron is on low, and then I will go in and do my edges as well. I'm not sure if I want to wear that top with like some white shorts, or I want to wear the original set, but we're gonna figure it out. So I ended up changing my mind, and I just went with a dress that I would wear on any given day. And of course, you know, I wanted to go out alone and just do some reflection, but my friend ended up joining me, which is no problem because she needed to talk to me about some stuff. I'm so happy I could be there for her. This is me heading out now, and then I'm gonna go to Uncorked 2 to have lunch. On my way, I was out of gas, so I had to just go to my friend's house, park there, and wait for her, and so we could travel together to the restaurant. I'm gonna end up getting food anyway. I left the container. I don't know if it's like a special or something, but yeah, I really want to try it. I don't dress up anyway. I do Birkenstocks and a dress. It's like one of my favorites. Yeah, the biggest. Meal prep for the week. I love that baby. I'm going back to the gym tomorrow morning. So before that, I know, but every minute I freeze me up for shit. Take this for granted. Okay, but they must say too far behind to continue. Okay, very should work out a lot like short. Girl. Even though the shrimp not cooked, but still no. I would like some of those. Thank you. The boy, how'd you? 25. Okay. Yeah, I think people so weird. Never spoken. I feel like them boil it first, mash it, and then coat it in flour and then fry it. Because the inside is, you bite into it? It's not coated in flour, no? The skin is still on there. But how the inside is out there? What you do? You put it's that time. Same, but I forget I can't reach home. Yes, have to get gas. Actually brought me dinner the same night after I went for lunch, so I just put these away for the next day. Got stew peas, I got some pork, some potato salad, and my friend brought me some curry goat. I don't know why I even left back some, but I ate most and put the rest in the fridge. Good night.